Law and order are the medicine of the body politic. And when the body politics gets sick, medicine must be administered. Someone is really well said. My name is Karuna Singh. Welcome back to the channel Knowledge Star, continuous knowledge excellence. A very special guest is joining us on the show today, Dr. Vanita Khanna, Assistant Professor, Department of Law, Guru Nanak Dev University, Punjab, India. Welcome.
Thank you, Karuna.
Okay, so we will start with, ma'am, first of all, just tell us something about yourself.
Sure, as you have introduced, though, I have a rich experience in teaching law, and my core subject is intellectual property rights, on which the topic I'll be speaking up today. So, I am editor to various journals. I have written various articles in the journals of national and international repute regarding the subject. Like technology, it is very important for us in these days as we are also connected with technology. So, if technology has certain positives, it has negatives also. And to curb negative, law is very essential. So, that is what today's topic is. That is what IPR is. It is curbing the negatives or disadvantages of technology. It is a subject which is related to all of us because we all are intellectuals, which all are using technology every day. So it is something which is beneficial to us, but side by side, it has certain negative points also. So that's what we'll be talking about, and that's what I have experience about.
Okay, so let's start with this, that what is intellectual property rights?
As the word itself is conveying the meaning, it is made up of three words: intellectual, property, and rights. So, whatever we create by applying our intellect, that becomes our property. And law gives us or protects our rights in that property, like IPR. It is if anyone is making any invention in the field of technology, in the field of science, anyone making any invention in medicines, that invention is an intellectual property, and that invention needs to be protected from being defrauded or from being stolen away. So our intellect is our property, so that property need to be protected. That is what the function and the role of IPR here is. And it has various branches also, like many branches are there: patents, copyrights, trademark, designs, industrial designs, layout designs, geographical indications. So these are various branches of IPR. Intellect is very vast. So the branches are also spreading up every day.
Wait. Are you worried about your project, training, dissertation, internship? Don't think too much because Nanoscience and Technology Consortium, in short NSTC, is giving you a golden opportunity to do the same tasks. NSTC also conducts workshop on amazing topics. So if you want to register in the workshop, the registration link is given in the description box below, or you may go to the website www.nanoschool.in, where you can easily enroll in the workshops. So just check it out right now. Okay. So if I talk about the Copyright Act and patent, so what is the difference between that?
These two are the branches of IPR, and we must know the difference because it is very essential. Because IPR, it is a branch which is collectively protecting intellect, but intellect is creating various things, and patent is specifically for giving protection to any invention in the field of science and technology, as I have given you example of medicines, or I gave you example regarding chemicals. And on the other hand, copyrights fields are different. Copyright give protection to literary work. For example, you write any book or create any literature, that is protected in copyright. Copyright give protection to software, to any artistic work, any photograph, any picture. It give protection to cinematographic work, to archaeological work. It give protection to softwares. It give protection to dramatic work. So the fields of the IPR, of the patent, and fields of copyright, these are different, and these are protected under different law. For invention, the protection is given under Indian Patent Act of 1970, and for copyright, protection is given under copyright law, Copyright Act of, earlier it was 1957 Act, now it is 2013 Act.
All right. And what are the rights given to us by IPR?
IPR gives you bundle of rights, variety of rights. The first right which is given to you, that is a right of protection to your property against the whole world. It gives you right to reproduction right. Like if you are writing a book, only you possess the right to reproduce the copies of that book. That gives you right to copy. And you have right to transfer your rights also. You can give your rights to any publisher for further publication. You can give your invention to any other person. You can get royalty, or you can enter into a contract with any multinational company to produce the invention, to produce the products of intellect, and you can circulate it, publish it. So all these are your legal rights which are given by law to you. And the most important right is right to remedy, right to protection. If your rights are infringed, if your invention or the formula is taken away by some other person, you have right to file a suit in the civil court. In copyright, it is criminal remedies also given, but mostly civil remedies are given under IPR.
Okay. So, ma'am, there is a question that can TikTok videos or YouTube videos be protected under IPR?
Yes, very right. Because as I told you, technology is developing, society is changing. So plus and minus, positive and negatives are always there. So TikTok videos are creation of mind. Various talented people, they are creating, they are recreating, they are applying their intellect in creating these videos which are of few seconds only. So they enjoy their IPR rights, and that IPR, they are protected under copyright law.
Okay. So, now what is the difference between Copyright Act and Design Act?
Yes, design is another field of IPR. Design protects the aesthetic beauty. Design protects something which appeals to your eye, something which is original. Like you must have heard about designer cars, designer watches, designer suits, designer jewelries. These designs are original designs. These have the element of novelty. So that is why, that is the reason they are protected. And design is also protected under copyright law. So copyright is protecting a design which is created on a paper, like any painting, like any sketch, that is protected under copyright. But if the same sketch is applied on any article, maybe on jewelry, maybe on any cloth, so that becomes the subject matter of Design Act. So the difference of design is protected under copyright law also. Design is protected under Industrial Design Act also. It is protected under layout design also. But there is difference. The design which is created on a paper, if that is original design, that is protected under Copyright Act. If that design is applied on any article to enhance the beauty of that article, to enhance the economical value of that article, that is protected under Design Act. If that design is used as an identity, like I can give you an example. Designs are applied on certain articles, like Adidas is a word and it is a designed word, but that is giving identity to a product, that is connecting the consumer with the manufacturer. So that
Exactly.
particular design is trademark, that is protected under trademark. If that design enhance the value of a product, because of which the sale of the product is in the market enhancing, that is protected under Design Act. And if the design is functional design, like the chip in your mobile phone, you must have seen the chip that is designed in a different manner, that is designed in a manner, on that design the function of the chip is dependent, that is protected under layout design. So designs are protected under all the act, but their functions are different. That is why they are protected under different laws.
So, what is the importance of IPR if I talk about the society? I mean, in the society, in terms of society, what is the importance of IPR?
It is very important. We all are intellectuals. Like every moment
Absolutely.
we are thinking, every moment ideas are coming up. Sometimes it is a negative idea, sometimes it is a positive idea. A negative idea is required to be curbed, but a positive idea needs to be developed. A positive idea need to be developed for the society around. If you look around yourself, you will see that everything has come to us by the scientific technological invention. We are talking to each other, connected to each other through technology. You are performing right now, and no one can infringe your performer right. You are performing live. So your performance is also protected. So everywhere we enjoy copyright, it is a very wide branch, but the very essential element of IPR is that being intellectual, we are unaware about our right. If I am writing any article, that belongs to me. If I have any idea, that belongs to me. No one can take away the product of that idea. So IPR is protecting the society's ideas, and ideas are natural to all of us.
Okay, now the very, very important question is a message you want to deliver to the student.
For students, I want to tell that you join any field, be it the field of technology, be it any multinational company, be it any bank or airways, or you go to foreign, everywhere you go, you need to inculcate your ideas. You need to have an analytical faculty of mind so that you can develop your ideas, because your ideas does not belong to you. Nature has given you these ideas. You develop it for the sake of society. If anyone is developing the medicines for coronavirus, so that medicine, that idea behind that medicine doesn't belong to that inventor only. That is for the society. So whatever you are doing, you must ensure that you are givers and you are giving it to the society.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your words and thanks for your time too. And for these type of informative, interesting, educational videos, I would like to suggest kindly subscribe to the channel Knowledge Star. Hit the bell icon to never ever miss an update. And I would like that people comment on a video so that we can improve ourselves. Rest. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Karuna, and good luck to you and your channel.
Thank you, ma'am.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.